her son. When his daddy had visited, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, Cousin Billy would take me walking. Through the back town we go walking, and then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was.